Hi everyone, my name is Saurabh Asif Chaudhary. Today date is 23 November 2021 and today's topic name is inheritance in Java. So in this topic we will discussing about what is inheritance in Java, use of inheritance in Java, different types of inheritance and example of inheritance. Let's discuss this point one by one. Let's start with what is inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java means we can construct new class from existing class. It means we can access all the properties and functions of the existing class in new class. This is called as inheritance. By using extend keyword, we can perform the inheritance. Inheritance provide the reusability of the code. Subclass contain all the features and properties of the superclass, so we can create the object of the subclass. Method overriding is only possible with inheritance. And let's discuss the terms used in inheritance. First is class. Class means it is a blueprint or template from which object is created. Next term is subclass. Subclass means the class which inherits the another class is called as subclass, or it is also known as child class. Next is superclass. Superclass means from which subclass inherits the all the properties and functions. This class is called as superclass and it is also called as parent class. Next is reusability. Reusability means we cannot create the methods of the superclass in subclass. We can use this method directly in subclass without creating this method again. This is called as reusability. Let's discuss the different types of inheritance in Java. In different types of inheritance, first is single inheritance, second is multiple inheritance, next is multi-level inheritance, and another one is hybrid inheritance. Let's discuss these types of inheritance in detail one by one. First is single inheritance. In single inheritance, we can extend the superclass in subclass, and this is called as the single inheritance. For example, we can create the student class. In student class, the method is display method, and we can create another class is college class. In college class, we can extend the student class, and in college class we can create the method show method, and by creating the object of college class we can get the methods in college class as well as student class by inheriting the student class in college class. This is the single inheritance. Next one is multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance means subclass having inherits the two superclasses. This is called as the multiple inheritance, but in Java does not support the multiple inheritance. Next is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance means one class inherit another class, and this class is inherit another class. Means let's discuss the simple example. Create class A. In class A, we can write the method display method, and create another class B. Class B inherit the class A, and in class B we can write the show method, and another class is C class. In C class we can inherit the class B, and in this class we can write the method display data. So by creating the object of class C, we can access the all the methods of the class A, class B, class C. Means we can access all the methods. Like in class C we can access the display data method. From class B we can access the show method, and from class A we can access the display method by creating only the object of class C. This is called as the multi-level inheritance. Next is hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance means it is the combination of hierarchical inheritance and the multi-level inheritance. Means one grandparent class and grandparent class, and in parent class extend grandparent class, and in parent class uh, son class and daughter class inherit the class parent. So this is called as the hybrid inheritance. Means by creating the object of son class we can access the methods in son class as well as parent class and as well as grandparent class. This is the example of hybrid inheritance. This is all the information about the inheritance in Java with their types and use of the inheritance. Thank you.